Let's start our list by exploring how breeze blocks are made. They're typically crafted from various waste materials like ash, sand, boiler slag, concrete chips, and sometimes even sawdust. These ingredients are mixed with concrete and then molded into blocks. Craftsmen can create both hollow and solid blocks using different molds. Bringing a vibratory machine to the production site can easily yield over 100 blocks in a single work shift. Prin's technology enables the installation of drainage and waterproofing, even in places where it hasn't been done before. Prin's reminds us that water can lead to issues like excess moisture, mold, fungus, salt erosion, and other problems if left unaddressed. It can seriously harm the foundation over time. That's why Prin's experts use special equipment to create holes like these ones. They then install drainage and waterproofing inserts to address voids and defects. A special solution is injected at a pressure of 58 to 72.5 pounds per square inch. When it comes to upgrading a 215 square foot room with 19.7-inch thick walls, craftsmen can complete the job in just 3 days. Another Lego-inspired solution comes from Brickerwood, who have developed wooden bricks for constructing houses without the need for nails, self-tapping screws, glue, or anything else. The smart interlocking system is the secret here. Brickerwood believes that these bricks excel in both sound and heat insulation. It took about 13 years to develop Brickerwood, resulting in numerous patents. You can purchase these remarkable bricks in a self-assembly kit complete with instructions, just like Lego. The approximate cost for a one-story house kit is $147 per square foot. Curtain-type ventilated facades made from porcelain stoneware may sound upscale, but they're in such high demand that the catalog runs a lengthy 41 pages. The manufacturer claims these facades can withstand dirt, frost, fire, graffiti, smog, scratches, and even acid rain, making them a great fit for residential and commercial buildings alike. The dimensions are equally impressive, with porcelain stoneware slabs measuring 3.94 by 7.87 feet. Using these slabs for finishing can elevate the building's value both in terms of architecture and finances. Of course, the company offers a complete package, handling everything from design to installation. Let's delve into sound-absorbing ceilings. These are popular not only in recording studios, but also in places like conference halls, shopping centers, coffee shops, and more. Take Heartfelt, for example. Their ceilings not only enhance the environment, but also aid in sound control. These ceilings come in modules, and you can easily select them based on the specified absorption of specific frequencies. Heartfelt panels are typically made from felt. They are easy to install, can withstand dust and dirt, and are fully recyclable once they're no longer needed. These panels are up to 4.13 inches thick and have a length of 19.7 feet. This is how bridges are constructed, fixed, or dismantled. Consider a scenario where a traffic interchange is being revamped. Workers utilize hydraulic blocks to elevate segments of the bridge. Just one JS 750 unit can lift as much as 750 tons, with a lifting speed of up to 6 miles per hour. The typical setup involves 4 of these units, meaning the JS 750 can hoist an impressive 6 million pounds. These units collaborate and are managed by a computer system. If necessary, they can operate in automatic mode and can even be positioned on a self-propelled modular transporter. In the Australian city of Orange, local authorities aim to create a more pedestrian-friendly central district. They used a special coating on the road to help drivers identify high pedestrian areas. It's essentially asphalt that's been adorned to resemble paving stones using heat, stamping, and coloring. It's a clear, practical, and dependable solution, allowing automobile traffic to continue smoothly on the treated sections. Since the 1950s, many parts of the world have experienced more frequent and intense rainstorms. This is because a warmer atmosphere can hold more moisture. It's no wonder there's so much talk about global warming. Manufacturers of drainage systems have been paying attention to this topic, and the outcome is the hydroblob system, promoted as a way to assist nature. This system stores rainwater and then releases it gradually, maintaining a stable water table and preventing soil from becoming overwatered. You can obtain hydroblobs in both above-ground and underground versions. The system's effectiveness depends on the type of soil. For instance, in loamy soil, it's recommended to install 8 units with a total capacity of 71.25 gallons for every 100 square feet. Metal Plus firmly believes they offer the world's best-standing seam metal roofing brackets, and they have good reason to think so. These brackets are a top choice not only for carpenters and masons, but also for solar panel installers. What sets them apart is their simple design, enabling easy one-handed installation and removal. The larger version can support a hefty 300 pounds of weight, while the Rufus Helper version includes a convenient bar for items like ladders. A set of 8 of any of these brackets will cost you $967. Now, customers can rest assured about roof damage, and craftsmen can work with increased comfort and safety. This team is working on an overflow pool, where water flows over the edges, gets filtered, and returns through bottom nozzles. It's not just practical, but also quite beautiful. Skilled workers can even transform the overflow into a small waterfall if needed, while also keeping the water cleaner by reducing debris and dirt at the pool's bottom. However, there's a catch. Overflow pools tend to be on the pricey side because they require more parts than regular pools. In the video, you can observe craftsmen setting up the ISI Miroir system components. This patented system is suitable for both new pool construction and renovating older ones. With the right knowledge, it can be installed in as little as half a day. How many of your friends can claim they've seen Bigfoot? Well, now you can tell everyone you've encountered one, at least in the form of this innovative formwork called Bigfoot. It's poised to replace traditional wooden formwork and is available in various sizes. Bigfoot pipes come in diameters ranging from 6 to 18 inches, meaning you can utilize Bigfoot for constructing anything from a house to a pier. While the design of Bigfoot may appear straightforward, the creators have already secured patents in the USA, Japan, UK, China, and other countries. What's remarkable is that working with Bigfoot is incredibly simple, enabling many workers to complete projects in hours instead of days. Let's discuss a brilliantly simple and highly practical innovation known as Post Saver, designed to shield wooden posts from rot. Here's how it works. Wrap Post Saver around the post, heat it up with a blowtorch or a heat gun, give it a roll, and you're all set. Post Saver is ideal for protecting the portion of the post approximately 6 inches below the ground surface, precisely where posts are most susceptible to rot due to moisture. With Post Saver, moisture and oxygen are effectively kept out, preventing fungi growth. The manufacturer offers an impressive 20-year warranty and even provides a special calculator on their website to assist in cost estimation. Hatco has installed turf everywhere from South Korea to Chile, including streetcar tracks and a massive Olympic stadium seating 80,500 people. Hatco is renowned for pioneering hybrid grass lawns, where natural grass grows among synthetic fibers. A stadium with hybrid grass can host soccer games for approximately 1,000 hours each year without any issues. The best part is that hybrid grass always maintains a pristine appearance and requires minimal maintenance. You can have it ready in about a week if you sow the grass directly on-site, or in 2 to 3 days if you opt for 13.12 feet wide rolls with pre-sprouted grass. Ready rock blocks might bring to mind the iconic Lego bricks, but they serve a different purpose. Rather than being used for machinery or buildings, they excel in constructing retaining walls. Their size is quite impressive as well, thanks to the patented block design. Workers can confidently erect walls exceeding 19.7 feet in height. Even a small team of 2 or 3 individuals can manage these blocks with the aid of machinery. Speaking of machinery, it's a necessity due to the substantial size of the blocks, which measure 7.87 feet in length and weigh 4,827 pounds. Ready rock blocks are even utilized in highway upgrades and airport renovations. Available in various textures, these concrete walls replicate the appearance of natural stone. Shuck Beto Fix Plus is an exceptional expanding grout designed to assist in construction projects for buildings and structures. It's the preferred solution for filling gaps and securing areas, such as around water pipe entries. You can utilize this mortar even in temperatures as cold as 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Shuck Beto Fix Plus does not shrink, it self-compacts, ensuring that water and gas remain in their designated areas. It's suitable for use with pipes carrying potable water. Additionally, it adheres well to concrete, brick, stone, and other materials thanks to its outstanding bonding properties. Its distinctive color also ensures easy identification, even years later.